All right, we're going to do a color by number. And the first thing we want to do, we want to write our name at the top of our paper. All right, so as you see, we have numbers at the bottom of our paper. And so we have a 4 and an 8, and we want the color tan. Now tan is a light brown, and I'm gonna color it down here first so I know which ones I want. So any number that's a 4 or an 8, I want to color it tan. So we're gonna color it tan, and please go ahead and make yours look much nicer than mine's going to make, but if I make it too nice, the video would be really, really long. So this is an 8. I'm gonna color the 8 because 4 and 8s are tans. And it goes over here. Try to stay in line. I just kind of went out of the line a little bit. Try to stay within the lines of at least the ones that have that color. If it's like this one and it's a 4 and an 8 together, that's okay. You can go out of the lines. You don't have to color each one individually. So there's an 8, 4, and an 8 down here at the bottom as well. We will color them tan. Sometimes people call tan like a beige color as well. All right, do I see any more? Oh, yep, there's some up here. There's one right here. There's an 8. All right, and we have a 4. Oh, and here's some more up here as well. Another 4, and I think next to it is an 8. Yes. So let's make sure we have all of those. So, ooh, and I almost missed one over here. Sometimes you just have to double check. All right, so we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 spots colored in. I think we have all of them. I might have missed it, but if I did, we'll go back over. All right, and next number is 3. And 3 is gray. I'm not sure if you have a gray in your crayon box, but if you do, that is extra good. All right, so we want 3 and 3. I think there's only 2 3s. Yes, I only see 2. All right, next color, 1 and 6, those are blue. So 1 and 6. All right, here's a 6 and a 1. All right, see any more? I don't see any over there. Oh, at the top. So 1, 6, 1, 6, 1. So all of these are blue at the top. So you can just kind of color them all at the same time. You don't have to color one at a time. You can kind of, yeah, I'm just making, it's kind of a nice sort of rectangle-y sort of shape, so I can just go up and down and not worry too much because there's nothing up there, and it's not a weird curved shape. All right, there we go. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colored in. All right, next one at the bottom, we have a 9, and 9 is red. Let's color that crayon red. Okay, we have some 9s over here. It's a 9, and this one at the top is also a 9, so I should go over here, but that is a 7, which I don't want to color. But this is a 9, so we can go back down. And there's a 9 over here. But yeah, I want to be careful and not get the 7s. Okay, that's a 0, so we don't want that one. But this one is a 9. And we have a 9 on the beach ball. Because if you haven't noticed, it looks like we are at the beach with a bucket of sand, a beach ball, a shovel, and maybe a couple of rocks. All right, so 9, nothing over here. So 0 is purple. So we want to color this one purple, although this purple kind of looks like a blue. It's not exactly the same. Maybe I will switch and do a different purple and see how this one looks. Yeah, that one looks more purple. All right, so let's make the 0 purple. It's still kind of a little bluish, but it's a little bit more purple than the other one I had. All right, so there's a 0, and there's a 0 on the beach ball. Yeah, it's enough that it's a little bit of a different color against the sky. All right, there we go. So our next one is 2, and 2 is green. All right, green. So there's a 2 right here. And we have a 2 over here. All right, I don't see any other 2s. All right, we have a 5. 5 is orange. All right, so our shovel is going to be orange. Get the corner over there. Try not to get it into the blue, otherwise it'll end up turning green. All right, and I have a 5 over here. It's almost the same color as my tan. It's a little bit different though. All right, our last one is the 7, and the 7 is yellow. All right, so I have a yellow over here on our bucket. And there's another one over here. And our last one is on the beach ball. There we go. So we have a day at the beach.